put yourself in a situation like that, shit's gonna happen.
You okay?
2, 1, and scammer gets scammed.
Oh, are you idiot? You stupid motherfucker. Why did you take all my guns? Are you stupid? You idiot. Give me my gun.
Look at these things. I can just already imagine this fucking whoop, whoop.
Boy, he got a Glock. Oh my God. Boy, that boy on top. Sip and walk. Make my heart stop.
Ouch! Landing just smack on the freaking dirt or ground.
The penitentiary is definitely out the question for me. I want to find a day in my life. So, after you know.
Only soaring cry.
Riding when it's dark, not the best.
God. Dude, that was so cool.
Really, dude? Can't you help the guy out?
Oh shit! What the fuck? Do a flip!
I freaking love the guy that's like, dude, do a flip. It's like, no shit. I freaking love the kids doing it into a playground. You know what I mean? Ah. Alright, I love it. The guy's doing his thing. He's hot rodding. The girl goes to check him out, right?
No.
He's like so excited he freaking did it. Lifts his hand up in the air and falls. Come on, dude.
Hooray!
The hospital flip. Why is it called a hospital
Moment, he knew he fucked up.
I let this keep playing because the kid just freaking laughs at his friend. It's like, dude, render aid. You guys see this, right? The bike separates. Let's slow it down. Okay, this is actually a clip that I'm in. I'm the guy in the blue shirt at the end after the, well, you'll see.
One.
Greatest laugh of all time? I think so. And then I don't know if you can tell what the guy says, but he says, all right, get up. But it's in some weird freaking Irish accent or something. Love it. Totally something I would do. You know what they say, when in Nova Scotia, be careful turning around trucks. Balls out.
Oh god.
Oh God! Holy fuck!
This guy's either gonna break his neck or something. I don't know. Something. Bet you weren't expecting that.
Week old, unrefrigerated pie.
Dude, you need a new pair of nuts. Okay, this is on a Ring camera, so pretty low resolution, but it's brilliant. his wife can't stop laughing. I love it. That's going to do it, folks. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. God bless. Peace out.